Fast track to mastery, distance and time word problems. Hello language learners and GMAT enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for the GMAT Quantitative section: distance and time word problems. Understanding these problems will not only improve your math skills but also enhance your ability to decipher complex English sentences. The core principle of distance and time problems is the relationship. Distance equals speed times time. Remember this formula, as it forms the backbone of many GMAT word problems. When tackling these word problems, you'll come across specific English keywords that indicate the nature of the problem. 1. Total distance. This refers to the entire length of a journey. For instance, if a person travels from city A to city B and then to city C, the total distance would be the sum of the two legs of the trip. 2. Average speed. This is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. Remember, it's not always just the simple average of two speeds. 3. Same time indicates that two objects or persons take an equal duration to complete their journeys, though their speeds and distances might differ. Let's explore an example. John and Mary started from the same point but in opposite directions. If John traveled at 40 miles per hour and Mary at 60 miles per hour, how far apart are they after 3 hours? To tackle this, 1. Calculate the distance traveled by John. Distance equals speed times time, equals 40 miles per hour times 3 hours equals 120 miles. 2. Do the same for Mary, equals 60 miles per hour times 3 hours equals 180 miles. 3. To find out how far apart they are, add the two distances together, equals 120 miles plus 180 miles equals 300 miles. So, John and Mary are 300 miles apart after 3 hours. 1. Draw a diagram. Often, sketching out the problem can make it easier to understand. 2. Units matter. Ensure that your speed and time are in consistent units, like miles per hour and hours. 3. Break it down. If a problem seems too complex, break it into smaller parts or individual journeys. Distance and time word problems can seem tricky, but with the right approach and understanding of the English terms involved, you're well on your way to mastering them. We hope this video has shed light on the topic, and we wish you all the best in your GMAT preparation journey. Happy studying!